Everyone, welcome to ADT's Shardabai Pawar Mahila Arts, Commerce and Science College, Shardanagar, Baramati. I am Professor Poonam Mishra, brought for you the subject Bookkeeping and Accountancy, in which we are learning reconstitution of partnership, and under which part 3 is death of partner. Let's see, students, the practical problem number 2 from your fifth chapter, that is death of the partner. So in which the following information is given: Rahul, Rohit and Ramesh are in the business sharing profit and losses in 3:2:1 and their balance sheet as on 31st March. So these are the information of liabilities and asset. And after that, on 1st October 2017, means this balance sheet is of 31st March 2017, and the next financial year is from 1st April 2017 to 31st March 2018. In that financial year, on 1st October 2017, means student, after 6 months, the Ramesh, the partner, one of partner with them died, and the partnership did provide the following adjustment. So taking into consideration all these adjustment, we have to solve it, students. So let's go further. First we will write we will see the balance sheet in which the capital account of Rahul, Rohit and general reserve is given. So you already know that from the old balance sheet we have to record the opening capital account and we have to distribute the general reserve in the existing partners. And in this problem, students, you need not to prepare the P&L adjustment, partners capital and balance sheet. In this problem you are only been asked to prepare the Ramesh, means only dead partners capital account, and you have to show the goodwill working note, and they have given you the Ramesh capital balance 3,41,000, and the profit and loss adjustment account is as per your convenience. But you can, if you want to prepare it, you can prepare it in a working note format. So let's go further with the our solution for the problem, students, in which first we will record the we have to draw the columns for the Ramesh capital account only, and in the working note we can prepare the profit and loss adjustment account. And after that we have to show the solution for the goodwill calculation and the profit distribution. So let's go step by step. So first we will record the Ramesh opening capital. So opening capital of the Ramesh is 2,40,000. So you can see, students, here in the Ramesh capital account, on credit side we will write by balance brought down 2,40,000. After that, student, which information? General reserve is given. So general reserve is 96,000. Total general reserve is given, and this will be distributed between the three partners. But we have just prepared only one partner's capital account, that is Ramesh. So what is the old ratio given to you? 3 is to 3 is to 2 is to 3 is to 2 is to 1, student. So what will be the Ramesh shares of general reserve? So Ramesh shares of general reserve, this should be your first working note. You use the full form, I am using the short form, students. So Ramesh shares of general reserve equal to, you will write total general reserve is given 96,000. So you will write 96,000 into Ramesh shares. So Ramesh shares is 1 by 6. Okay, so 1 by 6, if you will do 1 by 6, you will get general reserve amount 16,000, students, which is the mathematics calculation. So I am not going to show that and waste our time by doing that. So 16,000 you will get the general reserve share for the Ramesh. So that will be recorded on the in the Ramesh capital account by general reserve 16,000. After that, in problem, RDD was maintained 5% on debtor. You can see in the old balance sheet RDD is 10,000, means it is a 1 lakhs 10,000 is RDD, it means it is a 10%. Now RDD maintained was 5%. So in the old balance sheet, if the debtor amount is 90,000, so in the new balance sheet it will be shown as a 95,000 student, because only 5%. So what is that 5% of the 1 lakh? 5,000. So you can see previous year it was 10,000, now this year it is a 5,000 only. So this 5,000, the 5,000 RDD is there, but the 5,000 RDD which was of the previous year is a profit for us. So this 5,000 we will record as by 5,000 our debtor will increase. So if the debtor will increase, what will be the journal entry? Debtor account debit to profit and loss adjustment account. So students, in profit and loss, we have prepared the profit and loss adjustment account. So in that profit and loss adjustment account, credit side will write by RDD account 5,000 is increased. Okay, so 5,000, how we have calculated? 1 lakh into 5 upon 100. After that, plant and machinery and investment is valued at 80,000 and 4 lakh 10,000. So old balance of the plant and machinery is 85, or now it is 80,000. So how much is the difference? Difference is of 5,000. So that difference is the depreciation. So where we record the depreciation? On the debit side of P&L. So here I have written to depreciation on plant and machinery 5,000. Now the next is valuation of investment. So investment in the old balance sheet is 3,50,000, but now as per the adjustment it should be shown 4,10,000. So the total difference is of 60,000. So that 60,000 is a appreciation, students. This 60,000 is a appreciation of investment. So entry will be investment account debit to profit and loss adjustment. So profit and loss adjustment account, credit side I have written 60,000 means appreciation amount. After that, of the creditors, mean whatever the creditors amount is there, 80,000 creditor is given to you. Okay, so 6,000 is no longer liability. So out of 80,000, 6,000 is not a creditor. So this is the benefit for the company. Creditor is decreased. So the entry will be creditors account debit to profit and loss adjustment account. So creditor will also be recorded on the credit side by creditors account. 6,000 I have written. After that, student, further information is adjustment number 4. So what is given in the adjustment number 4? Profit of 17-18. So current financial year is 17 and 18. So in this year they have just estimated what the profit can be. They have just guessed the amount. The amount of the profit is estimated 1,20,000. So what they have decided, out of 1,20,000, what will be the Ramesh share up to the date of his death will be given to him. So let's do the second working note, students. So I am just clearing the board, student. So your second adjustment will be of what? Profit distribution. So Ramesh share of profit we have to calculate. So share of Ramesh profit. How will you calculate it, student? They have estimated that this year they might earn the profit around 1,20,000, or they have guessed the one figure, that is 1,20,000. So for the from this figure we have to calculate the Ramesh share. So profit into period of profit. So how many months was there the dead partner? How many months he was there in the business? He was there in the business 6 months, because he died on 1st October. Okay, you can see it is given in the problem that Ramesh is died on 1st October. It means he was there from April to September. He was there in the business for 6 months. So 6 months his profit. Okay, students, so for 6 months, and so 6 months profit only be calculated, and of only his share. So what is his shares? His share was 1/6, because the ratio was 3:2:1. 1. So 1 upon 6. So how much profit you will get for the Ramesh shares? So you will get the Ramesh shares profit. You will get the Ramesh shares profit as 10,000 student. So this will be your third working note, sorry, second working note, in which you have to write 10,000. You will get the amount 10,000. So you know the profit of the partner is written on the credit side of the partnership account, capital account. So here you will write in the partnership Ramesh partners capital account by P&L suspense account student, because current year profit cannot be written as a profit. It should be written as a suspense, because it is consider or calculated on a estimation basis. After that, which information is given to you? Adjustment number 5th. We have done with the adjustment number 4. Now we have to write the adjustment, we have to do the adjustment number 4. So here profit and loss adjustment account we have written, and sorry, Ramesh capital account. And then okay, now students, goodwill of the firm is given for the 2013, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16 and 16, 17. So almost 5 years profit is given to you. So how will you calculate the average profit, goodwill by average profit method? So or total profit divided by number of years. So how many number of years is there? 5 years. So we will calculate first the average profit in the working notes. So student, that will be your third working note. So I am using the shortcut, please you don't use it. Okay, so average profit you have to write in full form. Average profit equal to total profit divided by year. Okay students, so how many years is there? You already know 5 year is there. So total profit, student, this is a basic thing which I'm not gonna show you. You have to write 1,80,000, 2 lakh, 2,50,000, and then 1,50,000 and 1,20,000. So after adding all this profit, you will get 9 lakh students. So 9 lakh will be your total profit as per the addition, and you have to divide the number of years, that is 5 years. Then you will get your average profit, that is 1,80,000. Okay student, so this 1,80,000 will be multiplied by number of years of purchase. So goodwill formula under the average profit method is, so you write the full form, I am using the short form. Goodwill equal to 1,80,000 means average profit into numbers of years of purchase. You know the formula, you write the formula as well, because in this problem you will be having the marks for the working note, so it should be in a presentable way. So you will multiply by 2. Okay, so what is the goodwill amount? 3,60,000. After multiplication you will get 3,60,000 student, and this 3,60,000 is the total goodwill student, total goodwill of the firm. We have to just, they have Ramesh shares in it was to be given to him. So further they have told you that out of the total goodwill only Ramesh share is given to him. So Ramesh shares is given to him, and we have prepared only Ramesh capital account. So we have to calculate just the Ramesh shares only. So how will you calculate? 3,60,000 is the total goodwill amount. Okay, into you will take the Ramesh shares 1 upon 6, and then you will get student 60,000, and that 60,000 will be the share of goodwill of the Ramesh. So what is the entry for this? Goodwill account debit to Ramesh capital account. So here I have written by goodwill account debit to Ramesh capital account. So credit side 60,000. After that which adjustment is given? Salary is 5,000 per month was payable to him. He was there in the current financial year for the 6 month. So 5 is for the per month. So what will be the total salary? 5,000 into 6. So your total salary will be 30,000. So Ramesh salary is 30,000. Entry will be salary account debit to Ramesh capital account. So on the Ramesh capital account 30,000 will be written. After that, student, interest on capital. So what is the capital amount of the what is the capital amount of the Ramesh? 2,40,000. So that is 5% is will be paid to him, and drawing on his interest on his drawing was charged 2,000, and the drawing which was taken by the Ramesh up to September was 5,000 per month. 5,000 per month means it is 30,000 for 6 months. So what we have to do? We have to do the working note, students. So your working note number 4. So your working note number 4 will be like this. Interest on capital. How will you calculate interest on capital? Interest, you use the full form. Interest on capital equal to, how much was the capital? 2,40,000. Okay, so 2,40,000 into how much percent is applied? 5%, students. So 5 upon 100 you will take, and always interest on capital is calculated on 6-month basis, and also the partner was there in the business for 6 months. So you will take 6 upon 12, and then you will get your interest on capital amount, and the amount after following this formula will be interest on capital 6,000, students. You will get the amount 6,000. Basic maths I am not gonna show you because I have already explained how to do it. Okay, so 2,40,000, 5 upon 100, 6 upon 12, you will get the 6,000 amount, and that 6,000 is a interest on capital. So this is the benefit for the partner. So entry will be, what entry will be in the business? Ramesh capital account. So interest on capital is a benefit for him, so it will be interest to interest on cash, interest on capital. 6,000 will be written on the credit side of the Ramesh capital. Okay, so after that, student, next entry is given to you, interest on drawing. So interest on drawing, who pays interest on drawing? Actually business paid interest on capital to partners. So business will do the entry, interest account debit to Ramesh capital account. Okay, interest on capital account debit to Ramesh capital account. So the entry is like this. We have written in the Ramesh capital account credit side by interest on capital, but the interest on drawing will be paid by the Ramesh to the business firm. So what will be the journal entry? What will be the journal entry? Ramesh capital account debit to interest. Okay, because that interest on drawing is a income for the business and expense for the Ramesh. So it is written on the debit side to interest on drawing 2,000. After that, they have given the information that 5,000 per month was a drawing amount which was taken by the Ramesh. So what is the entry is given here? You can see, student, 5,000 per month means 30,000. So this 30,000 will also be recorded. Ramesh Ramesh capital account debit to drawing account. So drawing is there, 30,000 you will record, student. After that, nothing information is given further. So first what we will do, first before capital account, what we close the profit and loss adjustment account. So RDD, investment appreciation, creditor benefit and depreciation on plant and machinery was recorded, and the total of both the side will be higher side is credit side, so it's a profit situation. 71,000 is a profit, and when you will minus 5,000 from 71,000, you will get your balance in figure. That should be again that should be again by you in the circle. Students, 66,000 is your balance in figure, and it will be divided in the old ratio 3:2:1. So 3 by 6, 2 by 6, 1 by 6. So this amount you will get 33,000, 22,000 and 11,000. After that, student, this profit will be transferred to the partner's capital account. So we have just prepared the Ramesh capital account, so we will write only the Ramesh capital, that is by P&L adjustment account 11,000. So almost all the entry we have done, student. And when you will take the total of the credit side, you will get the total 3,73,000. 3,73,000 will be written on the both side, and the 32,000 will be deducted, and 3,40,000 will be balance in figure, which should be circled by you, and you have to give the name to Ramesh Executors Loan Account. So as you can see in your problem, it is the answer is already given. Ramesh capital balance should be 3,41,000. Okay, so 3,41,000 you got the balance. You close the P&L adjustment as well. So student, here your question gets complete and our balance is totally right. Hope you understood. If you have any doubt, ask me in the meet session and solve this problem in your book, and meet you in the next meet session, students. So till then, thank you and bye bye.